Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about Numba. Numba is just-in-time compiler for Python that can speed up numerical computation by compiling Python code to optimized machine code. So here I'm going to import NumPy and Numba, and then I'm going to create one array of NumPy with random numbers. Now let's see this NumPy array. So np.array, let's execute this code, and here we can see some sample data. Now the way how I'm calculating total is I'm going through this array one by one and just adding it to the total and finally going to return this total value. So let's execute this, and finally I'm going to see how much time this function is going to take. So for that I'm using time it here. It took around 138 millisecond. Now using Numba, I'm using p range instead of range so that parallel process can be executed. And here I'm accessing in a particular index one number and then adding it. So let's execute this code. It is saying this is, let me rerun, and we can see here it took 903 microsecond. So 138 millisecond divided by 903 microsecond. So this is approx 150 times better. Now you can say, like, if I just want total of this array, then I can use np.sum. That will be better. So let's try with that np-sum, and then we are going to pass this array, and simply this sum number I'm going to return here. So let's remove this total, and as well as this commented line also I'm going to remove. Let's run this code. Now re-executing and see that this time it took around 386 microsecond, which is better than Numba execution. If your code is giving you optimal performance with NumPy, then no need to overhead with JIT compilation.